What up, what up? Welcome back to the channel. What up, YouTube fam? What up, YouTube family? What up, friends? Everybody out there, welcome back. After my last debacle yesterday, or I don't remember, was it the day before yesterday or was it yesterday? I don't remember, but I decided to take some time today. I'm not tired, I'm not annoyed, and come down here and build that faceplate that I was going to build the other day for the gauge cluster. For those of y'all that don't understand what I'm trying to do, it'll make sense in the end. Just follow along. But for now, this is what I have. This is what I've been working on. So basically, I'm just trying to get the frame of this in here. So I'm just using this old cereal box to make it work. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'll have the dash sit right in here. So just build this. I'll probably put the boost gauge over here and the air fuel or vice versa. So the one in the last video, I got annoyed with it. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. So I don't know. I knew what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I always know what I'm doing. I'm never wrong. Dre's never wrong. Team Dre. Alright, Team Dre. Team Dre is always on point. But I was just impatient and I wasn't in the mood to record. So I don't know why I was trying to record. I just wasn't in that mood. But I got time today. You know what I'm saying? I got some time today, so I'm gonna do this. I'll probably give y'all this video tonight, or I'll upload it and make it available tomorrow. I don't know. But shout out to everybody that's watching. Get back to work. I ain't gonna record and show y'all what I'm doing, because that's how I get annoyed trying to explain stuff on camera. But I'm gonna do this and I get back to y'all. Yo, so basically this is what I was trying to do the other day in the last video that y'all see. This is what I was trying to do, but this is how it should have been done. Got it masked off and everything. Now the reason why you see all this over tape on it is because I basically got the cardboard to fit in there, but it doesn't fit perfect like up here. So what I do is I put the tape, so I'm gonna use the tape to build the edge, and I'm gonna just use the little straight blade right here, little razor, to carve it out so it'll be straight. So now when I take it out, it'll be perfect. And I'll just lay it on another piece of cardboard and get that cardboard carved out and get it to fit all the way in, and I'll put that finished product onto a piece of aluminum and carve that out. But this is it right here. I'm gonna take it out and show y'all. Yo, after all the hard work, here's the template that I need right here. This is the template I need right here after all that hard work. Clean that up right here. Yeah, I don't think I need to put it in any put it on another piece of cardboard. I just need to go pick up the aluminum. Thought I had some, but I don't. Could use a license plate, huh? Nah, just playing. But I thought I had some, but I don't. But I'll pick up the aluminum and I'll get that finished this week. Ha! Boy, it's coming together. Look, the reason why I'm putting these gauges so far over, I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Watch this. So look at where those holes are. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that template right here. I'm gonna mark the hole right there for that, hole for that, and this center part will be cut out. Oh dang it! I can't. Here, we'll do this. It's gonna fall. But basically, the center part is gonna be cut out, and then I'll leave as much in there as I can. Also, you got a little hole on here. There's a little hole right there. I could use that to put a bolt through it, or put a riv nut or something, or a rivet to hold the plate down, and I could drill that one out. But what I want to do is, once I get it all situated, I want to glue this in there so there's no bolt like holding it to it. Or what I could do is the dash, if it has the screws, and cut this out. I build a plate for the back, and then I use that dash to basically hold it in there, you know, hold it in place. But you guys will see how it works out. Just watch. I'll show y'all. Guys can't really see it because of the glare from the sun, but basically this is what I'm gonna be looking at right here. Just got it in here, and that's why I put the boost gauges on either side. The steering wheel, you'll be able to see, so that's good. But it's coming together. Can't knock it. That's definitely how it would look right here. It's not bad, but we got that knocked out. But guys, that's it for today. I appreciate everybody stopping by, watching the videos. Like, share, subscribe. Tell the roaches. Remember to tell the roaches. And come back again. Check me out on Instagram. If you guys need to get a hold of me, hit me up on Instagram. For those of you guys that want stickers and haven't messaged me yet, go ahead and message me so I can send those stickers out to you, man. Hit me up.